Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's topic is how to draw a tree. So this is a pencil sketch. As you can see, I have drawn a tree trunk. After that, like this manner, means it's a kind of Y shape, and draw the branches. Then I have started this shading. First, I am doing the shading vertically up to down using the side part of the pencil. Like this manner, I will fill it. Now it's a diagonal strokes, same manner, but it is diagonal right to left and left to right. This manner will shade the tree. Now in this down portion, I'm just giving this shape like a V. This is the land part, which is the root portion. The inner portion of this part will add dark shade. Why? Because the shadow of the upper portion. Okay, and this is the inner corner, so we'll add the dark shade in this part. Now as you can see over here, I have done one circle type of, it's a kind of hole inside the tree trunk, or you can draw this manner like a cutted branch, so that type of. And now I'm shading this part, which is these tree branches. Always try to give the shade in the down portion of the tree branches. It will be value stroke, which is dark, medium, light, and the joining part, which is this part, which is the joining part of the two branches. There definitely you have to add bit dark because of the shadow effect. Okay, now this manner will do the tiny branches. Like you can see, this is a only Y shape. Full portion will complete like this. Now here I am using the scribbling strokes, which we have done always in our childhood. This is for beginners who are trying to draw the tree or they want to start something. So for them, this is the basic of a tree drawing. In this manner, I'll complete the full portion with the scribbling strokes. Now I'm adding little bit of shade because of the shadow. Thank you so much. If you like my video, please do subscribe.